Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So here is a second video for the 4th class student social study. Your second chapter is timelines. So the question arises, what is timelines? So your first line says timeline is a line of dates arranged in the right order. Read the second line, then make your own timeline starting from the date you were born till now. Mention important events in it, like your joining school, winning any prizes, etc. So I take my own example so that you will get clear. 1988, my date of birth. After 3 years, I joined my primary school. 2004, I completed my high school. After 2 years, 2006, I completed my inter. After that, graduation. So these all are my important dates which I have arranged in a right order. If I must have mentioned my high school date first, when I completed my high school, so this timeline will not work. So the definition says the timeline is a line of dates arranged in a right order. I hope it is clear now. In this chapter you will study about calendar. There are two types of calendar: Gregorian calendar and Shaka calendar. There are many similarities and dissimilarities between both the calendars. After that you will come across the numbering the Gregorian calendar. The two things will come across, that is CE and BCE. CE, the Christian era; BCE, before Christian era. So come on, after this your chapter is finished, so come with the next paragraph. The next topic is calendar. Read calendar. The first it is shown to you Gregorian calendar. The calendar that we use is called Gregorian calendar. It is originally from Europe and is related to the Christians. This calendar starts from birth of Jesus Christ, as it was most important event in the history. As it is clearly mentioned in the first paragraph, that Gregorian calendar, at present we use this calendar only, and it has been originally from where? It is from Europe, and they are related to the Christians. This calendar starts from birth of Jesus Christ because it is a very important event in history. This calendar depicts a period of 100 years. We are now in the 21st century. Is that clear? So you can see in this, it has started from 1, birth of Christ 1, then after that 100, 200, 300, now we are on 2000. We have crossed now. We are above 2000. Now next is Shaka calendar. It is the Indian national calendar. It is the official civil calendar in use in India, along with Vikram Samvat calendar. It has been used with Vikram Samvat calendar. It is used with the Gregorian calendar. So it is the Indian national calendar. It has been a official civil calendar in use in India, along with one more calendar, that is Vikram Samvat calendar. It is used with the Gregorian calendar. The similarities, what are the similarities between these two calendars? The two similarities between these two calendars is, the first month of Shaka calendar is Chaitra. Now Chaitra is written here, but I will tell you this month is March. Okay, this Shaka calendar is, the first month in Shaka calendar is Chaitra, that is, it comes in March. And of the Gregorian calendar, the first month, as we celebrate New Year, it from 1st of January. So here I depict you the two pictures. You can see here Gregorian calendar. It has clearly mentioned here the birth of Christ, the day, the king. You can see here at the corner. At the corner it has saying the New Year day for reign of kings. In the same way, Indian national calendar, you can see Chaitra month is given, and it has been started from start date is March 22. They have depicted here. Is that clear? It has been clearly shown in these two pictures. Now come to the next paragraph. it is the similarity. The first I have told the difference between first two calendars. The first difference was the Shaka calendar first month is Chet, that is March, and Gregorian first month is January. The second similarity between these two calendars is both Shaka and Gregorian calendar are solar calendars. Why it is saying solar calendars? Because it has been based on the movement of the earth around the sun. Both the calendars are having same point of view, that both the calendars are based on the movement of earth around the sun. That means both the calendars have 365 days in a year and 366 days in a leap year. The starting point of the Gregorian calendar is the year 0. The Gregorian calendar starting point is 0 is given. It has been start from 0, but of the Shaka calendar is 78 CE of the Gregorian calendar. That means a date in the Shaka calendar is always 78 years less than date in Gregorian calendar. Please highlight this line, that is the last line. A date in the Shaka calendar is always 78 years less than the date in the Gregorian calendar. How much years less? 78 years. Now the next paragraph says how the numbering the years of Gregorian calendar, how we number them. Two important things has happened we have studied in this chapter. The first thing is that the birth of Jesus Christ and before the birth of Jesus Christ. So come to the line from the after the birth of Christ. The year after the birth of Christ are written with the letter CE. I am repeating again, the year after the birth of Christ are written with the letter CE. After them, such that 1652 CE or 2000 CE. So what does this CE stands for? CE stands for Christian era. CE stands for Christian era. It is period after the birth of Jesus Christ. It is the period after the birth of Jesus Christ. Please understand. यानी कि जीसस क्राइस्ट के जन्म के बाद का ये साल को काउंट किया जाता है. And it is expected that we all have born after the birth of Christ. Now, before the birth of Christ, history speaks about even before the birth of Christ. In the first chapter, we have studied about history, and we have studied many things before the birth of Christ too. So, to number the years before the birth of Christ, the years are counted backward. The years are counted backward from the year 1. I have told it has been started from 0, and here we will count the numbers of year before the birth of Christ. The years are counted backward from the year 1. On a timeline, years go forward and backward to show CE and BC respectively. You can see here. See birth of Christ. Here it is shown CE. And here BCE. And this is very important line in this paragraph. To number the years before the birth of Christ, the years are counted backward from the year 1. So BC stands for before the Christian era. Before the Christian era. So what did the BC stands for? Before the Christian era. CE stands for Christian era. Earlier the BC were called BC years, meaning before Christ, and the CE years were called AD years, meaning Anno Domini in Latin. Anno Domini means in the year of Lord. As you will go to the higher classes in history, you will study years in BCE and CE. Is that clear? So here your chapter finished, beta. Chapter is very short. So these are the some new words which you have came across the chapter. That is Gregorian calendar. The calendar that we use at present, it is Gregorian calendar. Saka calendar, it is the Indian national calendar. BCE, full form I have told in the chapter, that is the before the Christian era. AD, Anno Domini. Now come to the exercises which I have solved for you again, so that you can write in your copy. You can write and learn better these exercises. Fill in the blanks. Our calendar is dash calendar. Which calendar we are using at present? It is Gregorian calendar. Gregorian calendar starts from the birth of, I have told in the chapter, it is Jesus Christ. Dash is our national calendar. Which is our national calendar? Shaka calendar. We also use dash calendar along with Shaka calendar. I have mentioned in the chapter we are using Shaka calendar with one more calendar, that is Vikram Samvat calendar. The first question, true or false? We are now in the 19th century. No, 21st. It is mentioned in the chapter. It is false. We use only Gregorian calendar. Here only term is mentioned. If only must be not here, so we can say yes, it might be true, but it has used only, so it is false. There are 366 days in a leap year. Yes, it is true. It is 360 days there in a leap year. Now take the correct option. Timeline is a line of dates arranged in the right order. The correct answer is dates. The Gregorian starts from the birth of Rama, Sita, Krishna or Jesus. Is it? This is Jesus. The correct answer is Jesus. There are 365 days in both calendars. Yes, there are 365 because we have mentioned they both are solar calendars. I have mentioned in the chapter both Shaka and Gregorian calendars are solar calendars. Your next question answers are given, beta. So come to the question answer. The first question it is given to you, what is a timeline? I have told in the first line itself, the answer is timeline is a line of dates arranged in the right order. Come to the second question, what is the Shaka calendar? Shaka calendar is the Indian national calendar. It is official civil calendar in use in India along with Vikram Samvat calendar. This is the correct answer. I think there is no any doubt in the question. Come to the third question, what are the differences and similarities between the Shaka and Gregorian calendar? The differences given. The first difference, I hope you can tell on your own because it is I have told in the chapter. The first difference is the first month of Shaka calendar is Chaitra, that is March, and of the Gregorian calendar is January. The second is the starting point of the Gregorian calendar is the year 0, but of the Shaka calendar is 78 CE. Again repeat, I can scroll the page, though I am repeating again. The first difference is the first month of the Shaka calendar is Chaitra, that is March, and of the Gregorian calendar is January. And the second point is given the starting point of the Gregorian calendar is the year 0, but of the Shaka calendar is 78 CE. Both Shaka and Gregorian, now this is the similarities, both Shaka and Gregorian calendars are solar calendars. And the second point, the second similarity, we can say both calendars are based on the movement of the earth around the sun. The last question, how do we count years in CE and BCE? Though first, the years after the birth of Christ are written with the letter CE, that is Christian era. And how we are writing it? Example 1652 CE or 2000 CE. Now come to the BCE. To number the years before the birth of Christ, the years are counted backward from the year 1, that is BCE, before the Christian era. So here you can write the answer. Only 4 questions are given in your chapter. I have written. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. You are free to ask. Is that clear? The third chapter is what is civics. The third video will be uploaded soon. Till then you can complete these 2 chapters. Obey your parents. Okay beta, and at this time, at the last, I would say wash your hands properly after every 3 to 4 hours. Stay home. Thank you.